Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a distorted video like to your clip in CapCut for PC. So first you can open the CapCut apps and tap on import and select your videos or photos you like to edit. And for example, select photo and add to the track. That's super simple. We are just going to select effect, video effect, and select style, and you can find it distorted. Here, just add to the track, and you can just for duration the same way. And you can see for the final result. So that's how you can add a distorted video effect. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.